Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nina Diasi. I will explain about my paper. The title is the problems implementing International Arbitration Award in Indonesia. I will share my paper. Arbitration is form of court dispute resolution used in business. Definition of the international arbitration decision rendered by an arbitration institution or an individual arbitrator outside the jurisdiction of the Republic of Indonesia, or a decision by an arbitration institution or individual arbitrator which, according to the laws of the Republic of Indonesia, is considered international arbitration award. Article 65 of the arbitration law, the Central Jakarta District Court is authorized to recognize and enforce international arbitral award. But in the practice, international arbitral award often cannot be enforced in Indonesia. Why? International arbitral award and law resources. UNCITRAL, ICC, ICSID, AALCC, and the law resources, the New York Convention 1958, and then law number 5, 1969. This is ratification of the law, the New York Convention 1959, and then law number 30, 1999. We call it arbitration law. Research method. The research is a normative legal research with a statute approach and case approach. I will explain about two cases. And then the data used is secondary data and analysis with qualitative method. Explanation and then result. Implementation of International Arbitration Award Indonesia. According Supreme Court Regulation Number 1, 1990, concerning procedure for implementation foreign arbitration award in Indonesia, in Perma Number 1, 1990, contain the principle of the executorial power, which means that the foreign arbitral award are the same as court decision with a permanent legal force and inkrah decision. However, practice in Indonesia, foreign arbitral award can still be submitted for cancellation and rejection of the implementation of foreign arbitral award. One professor from Universitas Indonesia, Hikmahanto Yono, said one of the conditions that form the basis for rejecting a foreign arbitral award is if it violates public order. And then, according Article 5, Paragraph 2 or New York Convention 1958, which read that acknowledgement and enforcement of the arbitral award may be refused if a competent authority in the country where is it recognized and enforced decided. recognize or implementation of the decision will contrary to public order. The term of foreign arbitral award can be implemented in Indonesia if the award is handed down by arbitration board or individual in a country with the state of the Indonesia or together with the state Indonesia is bound by an international convention concerning the recognition and implementation of foreign arbitration. Then the second, the arbitration decision referred to the paragraph 1 are only limited to decision which according to Indonesian law are included in the scope of commercial law. And then the third, the foreign arbitration decision referred to the paragraph 1 can only be enforced in Indonesia limited to the decision that do not conflict with public order. And then the fourth, the foreign arbitration decision referred to the paragraph 1 can only be enforced in Indonesia limited to the decision that do not conflict with public order. According Article 66 Law number 13, 1999, the requirement for international arbitral award are only recognized and can be enforced in jurisdiction of Indonesia, including the international arbitration award is handed down by the arbiter of arbitral tribunal in the country which Indonesia is bound by an agreement, both bilateral or multilateral regarding the recognition and the implementation of the international arbitration award. And then the international arbitration award as referred to in letter as is limited to decision with according to the provision of Indonesian law are including in the scope of commercial law. And then the international arbitration award as referred to a letter can only be enforced in Indonesia limited to decision that do not conflict with public order. And then the international arbitration award may be enforced in Indonesia after obtaining an executor from the head of the Central Jakarta District Court. And then the international arbitration award as referred to in letter which concern of Republic of Indonesia as a party to the dispute can only be implemented after obtaining an executor from the Supreme Court of Republic of Indonesia, which is then delegated to the Central Jakarta District Court. One case is the Central Jakarta District Court decision number 5 2009 Jakarta Pusat case between PT Astro All Asia Network versus PT Ayunda Prima Mitra decision for Singapore International Arbitration Center. In 2010, there was an international arbitration decision from Singapore International Arbitration Center, SIA, which was rejected by the head of the Central Jakarta District Court. And then the rejection was later upheld by Supreme Court of the Republic of Indonesia. The law stemmed from a dispute related to the cooperation, the private television PT Astro All Asia Network with LG through PT Direct Vision. The cooperation requires LG to invest 50% of the share in Astro, but it was not fulfilled. That in the end, the decision of the arbitral tribunal determined that PT Direct Vision had to pay 230 million US dollar. Meanwhile, FM and PT Astro All Asia Network, also a subsidiary of LG, are required to pay a total 95 million US dollar. And then PT IPM has filed to complete to the cooperation plan between PT Astro All Asia Network and LG in the PT Direct Vision. So PT Astro All Asia Network exercised its right by registering the matter to the arbitration court in Indonesia, in Singapore, SIAK. And then the SIAK arbitral tribunal decided PT Ayunda Prima Mitra had to pay a fine of 230 million US dollar to PT Astro All Asia Network, with SIAK decision 62 of the 2009. And the arbitration award from SIAK is registered at the Central Jakarta Jakarta District Court with registration number 5/2009. On the next day, the PT Direct Vision separately filed a require to cancellation of the SIAK arbitration decision with register number 177/2009. And then PT Ayunda Prima Mitra also submitted a request for the cancellation of the International Arbitration Award from register number 78. Based on the Central Jakarta District Court decision that October. The application for the implementation of the International Arbitration Award by PT Astro All Asia Network was rejected by the Chief Justice of the Court, and then Supreme Court decision number 808 kasasi in 2011 in the case between PT Direct Vision against Astro Group Malaysia. According to the head of the Central Jakarta District Court, who examined the advocates also non-executive executive decision or rejected the application for the implementation of the Foreign Arbitration Award. And then according convention of the settlement of the investment dispute between state and nation of the state, ACSID convention regulated the rejection of the implementation of International Arbitral Award. According Article 52, Paragraph 1 of the ICSID Convention, with four best reason, including the arbitral tribunal was not properly constituted and then has exceeded authority. and then act corruption committed by number of the arbitral tribunal, and then has been serious deviation from the fundamental rules in the arbitral award procedure. UNCITRAL does not recognize to the existence of the institution that has authority to cancel international arbitral award, but can only interpret in the international arbitral award has the authority to amend the word of the make additional decision. One case, yeah, in the paper between PT Indiratex Pindo versus Evercision Enterprise Ltd. Sorry, the second case. PT Indiratex Pindo filed a request to cancel the international arbitration award from ICA, International Cotton Association Limited, for 6 reasons, including the first, the ICA decision was handed down, but by the Cotton Trade Arbitration Institute outside the jurisdiction of Indonesia in the England. There is a rules document regarding the legality and legal position of the respondent which is hidden, and then the other reason, the ICA's decision has no binding legal force and cannot be enforced in the territory of Indonesia because it has been appealed to the ICA Appeal Committee. And then the other reason, the decision is contrary to Article 5, number 1, letter C of the New York Convention. Finally, Supreme Court rejected the appeal filed by the PT Indiratex Pindo on the ground that the objection submitted by the applicant could be justified, and stated the consideration of the Central Jakarta District Court that cancellation and the international arbitration award was filed in the court of the country where the international arbitration board has handed down. And then the 2 case but different decision. Conclusion, the international arbitration award can be enforced in Indonesia if it fulfills the requirements in the law number 13/1999 in conjunction with the New York Convention, for example, Supreme Court decision number 219 in 2016. And then the second, the impact of the international arbitration decision that cannot be enforced in Indonesia sets a bad precedent in Indonesia trade at the international level, reducing international trust. And then thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.